Hi everyone, this is V. Naidu, MSc Physics. Today our topic is gradient of scalar field. Gradient of scalar field is a vector representing both magnitude and direction of maximum space rate of increase of scalar. Simply says gradient is nothing but the maximum rate of change of scalar with respect to distance. It is a vector, that's why it have both magnitude and direction. Gradient can be expressed as I cap dou pi by dou x plus j cap dou pi by dou y plus k cap dou pi by dou z. Let us see derivation. In Cartesian coordinate system, let us take two surfaces, equipotential surfaces S1 and S2. S1 having potential pi and S2 having potential pi plus d pi. Let us consider point P in S1 surface, point Q in S2 surface. The position of point P with respect to O is r bar. The position of Q with respect to O is r bar plus dr bar. Then the value of PQ. From triangle OPQ, we applied triangle of vector addition. OP bar plus PQ bar is equal to OQ bar. The value of OP bar is r bar. The value of OQ bar is r bar plus dr bar. Finally, we get PQ bar equal to dr bar. And at point P, our potential is pi. At point Q, our potential is pi plus d pi. From going from P to Q, potential changes. How much potential change? Pi plus d pi minus pi. We get d pi change in potential. Therefore, rate of change of potential in the direction of PQ is d pi by dr. Clear? And another sense. Now, we draw a normal from point P to surface S2. Here n cap is the unit vector. Let us take point R in the surface S2 on normal line. The position of R with respect to O is r bar plus dn bar. Therefore, the value of PR is from line OPR, OP bar plus PR bar equal to OR bar, OP bar you know R bar and OR bar you know R bar plus dn bar. Finally, we get PR bar equal to dn bar. Here at point B potential pi, at point R potential pi plus d pi, because this is equipotential surface. At point Q, at point R have same potentials. Therefore, change in potential pi plus d pi minus pi, we get d pi. Therefore, rate of change of potential in the direction of PR is d pi by dn. Now, from point Q to point R, we draw a perpendicular line. From triangle PRQ, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is PR and hypotenuse is PQ. What is the value of PR? dn. What is the value of PQ? dr. Therefore, cos theta equal to dn by dr. Finally, we get dr equal to dn cos theta. Therefore, rate of change of potential in the direction of PQ is d pi by dr. What is the value of dr? dn by cos theta. d pi by dr is maximum when cos theta equal to 1. Therefore, d pi by dr is maximum equal to enthana value avutundante d pi by dn. d pi by dr maximum is nothing but del pi equal to d pi by dn. Applying both sides n cap, del pi n cap shows del bar pi equal to d pi by dn into n cap. Now multiply both sides with respect to dr bar, ante del pi into dr bar equal to d pi by dn into n cap dr bar. Here n cap dr represents dn, means the projection of dr along n cap is dn. dn cancel. Finally, we get d pi. d pi is scalar. We get scalar, the product is dot product. That's why del bar pi dot dr bar equal to d pi. Let us say equation number 1. From mathematics point of view, d pi can be expressed as dou pi by dou x into dx plus dou pi by dou y into dy plus dou pi by dou z into dz. Now, let us expand this equation. I cap dou pi by dou x plus j cap dou pi by dou y plus k cap dou pi by dou z dot I cap dx plus j cap dy plus k cap dz. we get again this equation. Finally, d pi equal to I cap dou pi by dou x plus j cap dou pi by dou y plus k cap dou pi by dou z. This value represents dr bar. Dr bar is nothing but I cap dx plus j cap dy plus k cap dz. Comparing equation 1 and 2, we get del bar pi or grad pi equal to I cap dou pi by dou x plus j cap dou pi by dou y plus k cap dou pi by dou z. This equation represents gradient. Clear? Thank you all.